Hi, welcome to my warm cozy kitchen. And today I'm in a mood for baking therapy. So let's start with mixing all the dry ingredients. Add flour, add baking powder, add baking soda, then take 2 eggs. Okay, and after eggs, add some olive oil. You can even take butter. Add milk. Yes, and then gently whisk it. Yeah, ये सारे lumps को तोड़ के एकदम smooth बनाना है. Okay, and then after that add sugar, some cinnamon, vanilla essence. Mix gently for cozy sweetness. And I really like cinnamon. Cinnamon and vanilla cake is my favorite. So yeah. Okay, then pour the ingredients into a greased pan. Smooth the top. Preheat the oven and bake until golden. One easy tip to know if the cake is properly baked: just put the toothpick in the cake, and if the toothpick comes out clean, that means your cake is fully baked. And if not, again, bake it for 5-10 minutes more extra. And I was so happy. So this was my cake therapy. I absolutely enjoyed it. The cake turned out absolutely delicious, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching just as much I enjoyed baking. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.